In this video, I will show you how to transfer TON from Bybit to Telegram wallet. To do this, just go and open up the Bybit app or website and go and click on Assets in the bottom right. Now before doing this, you will need to already own some TON, so if you don't own any yet, just go and buy some TON. After doing that, click on Withdraw right here, and then from the Crypto tab, just select TON. Now once you are in the TON section, you will need to put in an address, network, optionally a tag or memo, and an amount. So first for the network, just gonna set it to TON, and then for the address, to find this, open up Telegram, and then in Telegram at the top, just gonna search for your wallet and open it up. Now from here you want to go and click on, scroll down and click more assets, and here click on TON coin and then click receive. Now if you also get this notification that says unsupported region, then there's something else you can do, which I'll show in a second. But right here you will be able to find your TON wallet address, so then from there just copy it. However, if you also have an unsupported region, you just want to click settings in the top left, and here you're going to enable TON space. After doing that, go and click on TON space from the home screen, and now here click on TON coin and then click deposit, and then here you have your wallet address, so then you can copy that one. After doing that, go back to Bybit and paste in your wallet address. Now once you do that, you can then choose the amount. So for me it's in my funding account, so I'll select funding account and then click max, and then go and click on withdraw in the bottom. And then from here you can then click confirm, and then you will need to verify that it's you, and after you verify that, it will be on its way to your Telegram wallet. Now what I would recommend doing is transferring a smaller amount first to see if it shows up, and then if it does, transfer the rest. But if you follow these steps, then it should work. So now you know how to transfer TON from Bybit to Telegram wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.